I'm nervous.
Just be me. Oh, I like the setup. This is very professional. So look at the camera, right? There? Oh, there you go. Good.
Hi, my name is Aida Mahic. I am a manager of partner operations.
Hello, everyone. I'm Oscar Ibarra, Director of Strategic Business Development at Acumatica.
I'm Jeff Smits. I'm the CIO of Acumatica.
I'm John. I'm the CEO of Acumatica.
I think what's unique is how many different people we have, the diversity around the company.
That's a global influence with offices in Sri Lanka, Serbia,
Russia, India, Venezuela,
Canada, US. I love the melting pot of cultures and diversities.
I get to work with really smart people from across the world. It's very global, dynamic, and friendly culture.
Being a woman, they have really validated us and supported us with all the women in technology lunches and events that we've had.
What's special about Acumatica's culture is that they actually care about their employees.
it's our people. People, what really separates us and makes us different.
We have a talented bunch of employees.
I enjoy the sense of community, sense of being with a family, with friends.
Main thing is work-life balance and the flexibility.
Everybody wants to work together to get something done.
The place is super collaborative and very supportive, and I think that's what makes it very unique.
I chose Acumatica because I truly feel like I can grow here professionally and personally. The managers I spoke with, they're all here to do that for me.
I really enjoy working with Acumatica's management leadership team.
Our leadership is very transparent about where we're going as a company, and they are very trusting of their employees, and they make their employees feel valued.
I like how they empower me to innovate, so I'm free to make decisions and to develop new tools.
We want to support you, to help you to be successful, and to find a place where you truly feel you're taken care of. And that's us.
Leadership have one common thing. Everyone is very passionate.
I'm pushed every day by my leaders.
Everybody has an open door policy and is just really willing to help.
We have a great brand, but we are still a very accessible company.
I feel really supported by the leadership team and the executive team. They really believe in this product, and I feel really like they believe in me. When I talk to customers, it looks like, everybody loves Acumatica, and I can see the future is very bright.
Acumatica is on a great path.
We're continuing to grow at an exponential rate, and it's a very exciting time for us. We're going to be aggressive in the market, not just for growth's sake, but for the impact that we can make in helping customers realize their growth ambitions.
Acumatica has an amazing platform.
This is something that you can choose to rely on and build your business.
We have no way to go but up. I'm telling partners throughout the world that a tsunami is coming, and it's Acumatica. You're not joining an employer, you're joining a family.
If you want to make an impact, if you like changes, then this is the time.
If you want to come work for the best, come work for Acumatica. We're a growing organization, and this is where you want to be.
If you want to work in a place that's dynamic, fun, exciting, and truly inspirational, this is the place for you.
Dobrodošli u Acumatiku.
Bem-vindo a Acumatica. Bienvenidos a Acumatica.
Benvenuti a Acumatica.
Welcome to Acumatica.